Guys, so today we are gonna make the scented slime. If you see, it's very satisfying. If you know how to make the slime, let's get into the tutorial. So to make that slime, we'll need something to mix with. I'm using a chopstick, glue. The glue must contain PVA. I'm using this glue, a container to mix in, and your scented lotion. I'm using this Enchanter body lotion, and this is the red rose one. So yeah, you can use any like scented thing. So yeah, then let's get started into the tutorial. So first we're gonna pour in our glue. Then we're gonna add in a lotion, perfumed lotion. So I added this much. I'm gonna add some more. So this is how it looks. So then we're gonna mix. Evenly. So if you want to add food coloring, you can add food coloring. I want it to be white, so I'm not gonna add any food coloring. So we're just gonna mix nicely. So yeah. Then we're gonna add in our slime activator. And we're just going to continue mixing. So yeah, I'm just going to mix. Just going to mix until everything's like trying to coming out from your, what's that again? Your bowl. Yeah, your bowl. If it's still sticky, like mine, you can add more slime activator. If you see I added more activator, then we're gonna mix. You have to be slowly, mix slowly, because the activator may like fall down, pour down, or what, like spill down, like what happened to me just now. So it's gonna mix slowly. Then if you think it's okay, it's gonna scrub everything out from your utensil. And I'm just gonna leave the whole thing, like the slime in the bowl, like for 5 minutes, and we'll be right back. So yeah, I left it for 5 minutes and I found a lid for my container, and this is what I got. So I'm just gonna use my stick to like stir in case if it's sticky. Yeah, it's a little sticky, but there's still some extra activator in this bowl, so it won't be that sticky. So if I just mix it for a while, so that. And if you guys like don't have the ingredients to make this slime, you can always check out my how to make slime without slime activator. The video is just somewhere around the like camera. I mean the video, you may see maybe here or here or here or here, I don't know. So yeah guys, so I'll be seeing you in the next video, and yeah, bye.